Hi guys, this is Tilak from Tilak Media Tech, and today we are going to learn how to create a photo click effect like this. So this effect will be trending on the Instagram Reels or Instagram Reels effect. So you can make this video. This can gain you followers or gain more likes according to your creativity to this filter. So this channel is basically about Instagram tips and YouTube tips. If you find this topic interesting, if you're interested in this topic, just click on the subscribe button below. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button. So we can just move on to the video. So just open your Instagram and click on the plus symbol and click on the Reels tab. So here you can just select the effect option and swipe right. You can find the search browse effect. So click on the browse effect and click on the top corner of the search and just type as BRAM, BA or AM. You can find many filters, but the perfect filter will be the first filter which I am going to teach you. So just try clicking on it and just try it. It gives you a greenish and brightest filter for you, so which is so amazing and looking. So just we can try it over now. There will be some clicks here like this. So you can click a different force, and the background also giving a much different color. So this was an amazing filter which you can try it because it's giving a different color on your background while it's clicking. So this can be trend or viral on your Instagram, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. If you are new to this channel, let's follow my Instagram account because I have posted many Instagram reels which all have a great VFX and effect, so which can be a viral. You can see why Hunter TV gives 1,000 views, which I definitely not, because in previous videos I didn't get much attention from the followers. So the different VFX impressions will be get more reels and more followers and more likes to your account. So if you want to learn about the YouTube tips and Instagram tips like a filter or how to increase your followers and likes on your Instagram, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, and we can meet on the next video with your valuable content. And this is Tilak signing off from Tilak Media Tech.